Not getting the attention you want on FeetFinder? Your portfolio might be the problem. In this video, I'm sharing must-know tips to help your foot pics stand out, attract buyers, and boost sales, all without fancy gear or expensive shoots. Whether you're just starting out or already sharing foot pics, this guide will help upgrade your profile from overlooked to irresistible. A well-crafted portfolio is key to standing out, getting noticed, and turning views into real earnings on FeetFinder. Buyers love variety, but they really love personality. Show off your arches, toes, polished styles, or soft soles in different poses. Highlight what makes your feet yours. Use close-ups, natural foot positions, or different backdrops to create a mix of casual and polished shots. You don't need a studio. Natural light by a window or a simple ring light works wonders. Use your phone's rear camera for clearer shots. Make sure your feet are clean, moisturized, and your background is clutter-free. Keep it crisp, clear, and scroll stopping. More does not mean better. Pick your top 10 to 15 photos to show range, angles, polished colors, barefoot, oiled, playful, posed. Organize them in a way that tells a story. This is who I am. This is what I offer. And no repeats. Every photo should serve a different purpose. Think of your portfolio as a digital storefront. Use a consistent background, color palette, or prop that makes your content feel like you. And optimize your FeetFinder profile. Use keywords like soft arches, high heels, glowy soles to help buyers find you. A polished portfolio isn't just pretty, it's powerful. It helps you stand out, feel confident, and helps attract serious buyers. Want more content tips or a more behind the scenes look at how I shoot my foot pics? Drop a comment and let's build your FeetFinder brand together.